What's inside JLPT N5 Day 6 Listening Part 4. This is the fourth video of this module. First one, second one, third one, and this video. Part 4. Respond. We are now here.
問題4。問題4は絵などがありません。文を聞いて1から3の中から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
In question 4, no picture is presented. Listen to the sentences and choose the best one from 1 to 3. 問題4 is similar to 問題3. JLPT would like to assess your speaking ability. The difference between 問題3 and 問題4 is like this. 問題3 focus on what you will say in a certain situation. 問題4 focus on what you will respond when someone asks you or talk to you. JLPT assumes if you can choose the correct answer, you prove your ability to respond appropriately. You are asked, can you show us that you can respond properly? In 問題4, you won't see any illustration. You listen that someone talks to you. Please remember, JLPT wants to assess your speaking ability. Think what your response is. It will help to choose the best answer among 3 choices. Let's listen to an example question.
お国はどちらですか ?1、
あちらです。
2、
アメリカです。
3、
部屋です。
In the exam, you listen to the recording once, but this time, let's listen again.
お国はどちらですか ?1、
あちらです。
2、
アメリカです。
3、
部屋です。
Did you get it? Yes. Number 2. アメリカです. Number 2 is the answer. Top tip 6. This section assesses not only your listening ability, but also your speaking ability. Work like this. 1. Listen what someone says to you. 2. Think what you respond. 3. Listen to the choices. It will be easier to find the correct answer. Round up. Top tip 4. 問題3 and 4 are not only listening tests, but a kind of speaking test. Top tip 5. In 問題3, think what you'll say in a given setting and listen to the choices. Top tip 6. In 問題4, work like this. 1. Listen what someone talks to you. 2. Think what you respond. 3. Listen to the choices. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you're interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね